back to Daytime Live. Now, joining us from JCDC is Mrs. Andrea McCurdy, who is here to talk about the JCDC Entertainment Arts Competition. Welcome. I love the clap.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Good to have you.
Andrea.
All right, so I'm going to give you a big question for the first question, right? What I want to ask is, what are the different arts competitions and what are some of the benefits of participating in these competitions?
You know, I could have her answer part B, right? But let me answer it. It's true. So thank you for having me. So the entertainment arts, so we have performing arts separate from entertainment arts. Performing arts, many persons know, speech, drama, dance, traditional folk forms, and so on, music. The entertainment arts are festival song, festival queen, and gospel star. So those form the entertainment arts programs, and then everybody know the rest.
So why the distinction between the two?
Because so your target audience is more or less the same, but just the focus. So the performing arts, you have the individual speech, drama, dance, traditional folk forms, music, and then for the entertainment arts, it's mostly music. So, I mean, with the exception of Festival Queen, which is a little more rounded, as persons are aware.
Yeah.
So why is it important, and what kind of doors it opens? I'm going to quote Nisha.
Please.
She got her first gold. It opened doors for her. Got her into England, got her on Lion King, got her. So it has opened doors. A lot of the persons that we see in the creative space today, whether it is a musician or a singer or somebody who is a well-spoken person or somebody who is an actor, so a lot of them got their start in the JCDC competitions.
In fact, we would say most of them, maybe even all of them.
Yes.
To some degree. I won't say all, but a lot. No, but it's
Close
true.
to most.
Yeah, close to most
Close
in
to
Jamaica.
most,
So yeah. Okay. Who's eligible to enter these competitions?
So for the gospel star and for the festival song, from ages 16 to 237.
I love that.
Right. For
God
festival queen, though, between 18 and 25, young ladies between 18 and 25.
I feel like you should up that age because I want to enter Festival Queen.
Sure. We'll have a discussion with Minister Grange and we'll.
Thank you.
So after we pass entry age now, what is the entry process like to get into these competitions?
So we are still, for the most part, online. In terms of taking online entries. So for festival song, though, there's $1,000, did I say 100? $1,000 entry fee, but you still upload, the entry form is on the website, and you still upload your audio.
Okay.
You produce song. For Festival Queen, you upload your video, your introduction video, and for Gospel Star, you upload your performance video. And you can use your phone and thing to record yourself.
Right.
So Festival Song requires an audio. Festival Queen and Gospel Star requires a video.
A video.
Yes.
Ooh, that's interesting. I wonder why the difference between the audio and the video. For the gospel is a singing competition, right?
Yes. It's
And the festival song is the singing competition.
Yeah, so it's pretty much just how both of them have been done over the years. So gospel, so even though gospel requires a video, it's things that they use, the performance and everything, when they're doing the auditions and so on, it was always a live thing prior to COVID, because everything is before COVID and since COVID,
Right.
kind of a thing.
That's a demarcating factor.
So the video is not to check if them really spiritual.
Right?
No.
Them
Like,
don't look
make us
Christian,
see,
no.
make us see
Them
if we
don't look
believe it.
Christian to me.
No, man,
Okay.
no.
Good. Good to know.
We have had all
But I'm
types
like-
entering, I promise you, but mostly Christians. I mean,
Right.
persons cannot understand
Yeah.
the demographic and comply.
And last year, I believe it was Slash.
That won the festival
That
song.
won, and I loved his song.
And me
Yes.
not in French, if it's slashy.
Slashy.
I don't think so though.
A
slash.
You can't talk to him about
Slash.
You can ask him. Yeah, so what are some of the prizes? They tell me something about 3 million. What are some of the prizes that persons can win from entering the various?
For all of them, the prizes are over $1 million.
$3 million.
Yes. So for festival song, $3 million, and that is broken up between the winning song, the performer who performs it, the producer, the writer, that kind of a thing. For Festival Queen, Gospel Star, over $1 million in cash and prizes combined.
Okay, all right, that sounds really good.
Well, and I should mention that these songs are on platforms afterwards too. So even after the competitions, you can find them on Spotify. You can find them
The festival
all
songs,
over. The
because
festival
the gospel songs
Right.
are cover versions.
Right.
As it is for the last, this is our 4th year of doing this, so we made a change in what was required. Because it was originally a gospel song, which was an original song competition.
Right.
The persons need to know that the gospel song
Yeah.
does not have to be an original song.
Okay.
Another thing that people need to know is the deadline
Look here.
for entry.
Easter Sunday night, midnight.
Okay, hold on a second. When are Easter Sunday? What day?
March 31.
March
Sunday.
31.
So I'm making the connection for everybody.
Thank you. You know, I need it. I was like, okay.
This
When is
Sunday
Easter
night.
Sunday?
This Sunday.
Sunday at
this
home.
Sunday at midnight, entries close for all of the entertainment arts competition.
Okay.
So don't try set it 12:01 and tell about internet and it never did that go through.
No
and
man,
it
start
never
try
work.
from 11 o'clock.
Correct.
But better yet, from like about 7 p.m.
Yeah.
How about not sending it on the 31st?
On the
and sending
it before.
How about
that?
Yeah.
Save yourself the stress.
You know what I mean? Excellent. I am really excited. I've seen a lot of wonderful artists
Yes.
entering, and also not artists. Like we have persons, TV hosts entering.
Yes.
Sugar, like
it's
random.
Open to
it's open to
it's
everybody.
open to everybody. No
Yeah.
one is exempt.
They don't have to be a singer by
semi-professional,
trade.
absolute apprentice, professional. It's open.
Yeah. Kabuja Banton entered.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So we've
2021.
had.
That's right.
So everybody. Okay. How can we find you on? Toots? Yeah.
That year too.
How can we find you on social media? Yes, you did that year.
Toots was there, yeah.
So we are on all socials as JCDC Jamaica, and of course the website www.jcdc.gov.jm.
That's how they send their videos.
Yes.
To one more time.
www.jcdc.gov.jm and go to online forms, and all of the competitions are there.
Okay, beautiful. Thank
Awesome.
you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. We appreciate that. Andrea McCurdy, awesome.
Yes.
Thank you for
Beautiful
joining
you.
us.
On that note, Daytime Live will be right back. And when we come back, we have a video and we're talking about the Ministry of Health and Wellness Better You campaign. Yeah?
Better You
Better You.
campaign.
Better You.
Better You. Better You.